Thermostats that only run heat or cool after installation usually point to wiring or compatibility issues, not a faulty thermostat. When a thermostat controls only one mode, first check the terminal connections at both the thermostat and the air handler or furnace. Confirm that power is present on the red terminal and that the cooling coil conductor, often labeled Y, and the fan conductor, often labeled G, are securely attached and show continuity back to the equipment. Use a multimeter to verify 24-volt control power between the red and common terminals and to check for voltage when calling for cooling. Next, verify whether the system uses a single transformer for both heating and cooling or separate transformers. If there are separate transformers, the cooling circuit may require a jumper or a thermostat designed for two transformer systems. Otherwise, you will need to install an isolation relay or a thermostat with dual transformer support. Confirm the correct use of a jumper between the red and the red cooling terminal when the system design requires it. Some older systems expect an R to RC jumper or similar, so the thermostat has power for cooling control. If the thermostat is battery-powered but still lacks a common, consider adding a C-wire or a power extender kit to stabilize control signals. Inspect the heat pump configuration switch or settings in smart or universal thermostats. If set to conventional heating and cooling, the thermostat may not energize the reversing valve and will only operate one mode. Check the indoor unit and outdoor condensing unit contactor coil. If the thermostat energizes Y, but the contactor does not pull in, test for blown fuses or open safety switches like low pressure or float switches in the drain pan that can interrupt cooling. For two-stage or variable speed systems, ensure the thermostat is programmed for stage control and that stage wires match the equipment schematic. Misassigned wires will allow one stage to operate while leaving the other disabled. Finally, when in doubt, review the equipment installation manual and the thermostat installation guide side by side. And if compatibility is unclear, call the equipment manufacturer tech support rather than guessing wiring changes. One of the common thermostat installation mistakes is miswired terminals causing only heat or only cool to work. Fix by mapping each conductor from thermostat to equipment, using a continuity tester and adding the correct jumper between the two red terminals if the system needs it. Another frequent issue is missing common power, leading to intermittent operation. Resolve by running a dedicated common conductor or installing a manufacturer-approved power extender or a new thermostat with internal transformer support. The third typical problem is wrong thermostat mode or configuration settings for heat pump versus conventional systems. Correct this by setting the thermostat to the correct system type, verifying reversing valve polarity, and testing the reversing valve activation while monitoring voltages. BigHomeProjects.com lists local HVAC professionals who know how to diagnose and fix partial thermostat operation and wiring problems, helping homeowners find trusted local contractors. The directory also helps contractors get work by connecting them with motivated homeowners searching for reliable thermostat and system repair services.